Hold it like that. Put it in there. Good
Yay!
job.
That's okay.
It's okay.
Yay, you did it.
And now another color. Let's see. You want? How about blue?
Ooh, blue. Good job. Yeah, you're
Okay,
right.
good
You
try.
need that. Whoa! There you go.
Good job. That's
Yeah.
Okay. That's okay. Look, it's still color. It's still color. It sits in there for a little bit. Okay, now, oh, look, we got some more colors here.
Oh
Put this
yeah.
Orange. Put it in there. It's okay to get your hands dirty. Mix it up. Mix it up, Rennie. Mix them all up. Get more eggs and more colors.